about crocodile. Any other things you can speak?
What is that supposed to be?
Singing.
Emily in the mornings? Darn it. You got me.
Granite, can you speak anything?
Shannon, you can speak guinea pig.
That's not.
No, that thing that you do with your... That's the thing that I hate.
You sound like a pig.
It's more pig than guinea.
It's a guinea pig.
Granite, speak idiot.
Oh, Emily. I call that hooligan.
I like her whale impression. I'm speaking my whale impression.
So Mr. Peel's like,
Hey, does anybody have this show? Alright,
wait, I can do a Mr. Burkheimer impression.
Like the grin on your face.
that was like the first day of school.
It's like,
Yeah.
no,
No,
the
it
first thing
doesn't.
she said was,
We're all
every
B in your
kid.
seat or in
No,
your
no. Every kid in its places with bright, shiny faces.
No, she wrote that really stupid thing on the board. She's like,
She wrote that like every day of the first week. Wait, she did what? Wrote the rules on the board.
It was like,
I think she used to
B
read
in
like
your
every day
seat
of the
where you're
year.
supposed to be when you
Don't
need to be.
video me.